Perfect. Okay. This is the library card. Hold it. Let's go. Hoy, okay. Nakakuha na kami ng library card.
Where's my glove?
Here.
Give me back my glove.
Are you happy?
Huh?
So guys, nakakuha na kami dito ng library card. Namin ang have a public library card. Come on. Come on, get it. Yung public library, katabi lang siya ng St. James Collegiate. And then, nandun yung George Waters Middle School. Magkakatabi lang sila. Along Portage Avenue. Ayun yung Ferry Road. Malapit lang kami dun. So, 3 minutes away lang. There's the St. James Collegiate School. So, college. Tapos, middle school naman yung George Water. Tapos yung school ni CK na elementary, nandun yung French immersion na École Assiniboine. Faster! So, ito ang George Waters Middle School. After elementary, pwede kayo mag-enroll dito kung part ng catchment kayo na St. James. So, usually, sina CK, yung mga galing sa École Assiniboine, is dito sila. And I think enrollment na, kaya maraming nakapark na sasakyan. Mga, siguro sa Pilipinas high school lang katumbas nito.